Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a recipe called Sneaky Shortcut Banana Bread. Why is it sneaky? Because do you have bananas that look like this color? You know, green, not yellow, not brown, not fully ripe, which usually makes the best banana bread. So what we're going to do is we are going to be sneaky and use a shortcut to caramelize those bananas so they will add just as much flavor as a very ripe banana would, which again is sort of in a caramelized natural banana state. Well, you know what I mean. It inspired this song. I know a recipe that's sweet, bananas not ripe, still a treat. Add to oven with little heat. It's called Sneaky Shortcut Banana Bread. Olay. First thing you want to do is get your 8.5 by 4.5 or 9 by 5 loaf pan ready to go. Grease it up. I have put a parchment paper sling in here, but honestly, I think it would come out all on its own just fine. Second thing you want to do is tear those bananas that are not ripe into about 2-inch pieces, throw them in a pan that has some raised edges, and then we're going to get this thing going. Cover with brown sugar. Mix it around a little bit, make sure that they're all fully covered here. Place your bananas and brown sugar in a cold oven, set the heat to 325 and let it preheat with your oven itself. Keep it in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and stir the mixture. Look at this. This is pretty far along at this point, but you get the idea. Look at this. Time's up, the brown sugar is bubbling, it looks great. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl and mash it like potatoes. Transfer it to a large bowl. Mash for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want this fully mashed. While your banana mixture is cooling for about 5 minutes, go ahead and mix your dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, mix together. Add your oil, vanilla, or other extract that you like. Whisk together. Add your egg. Mix for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want to make sure this is fully combined. Add in your dry ingredients. Mix until fully combined. Move to your pan. Spread it out. Sprinkle with sparkling sugar or turbinado sugar or some type of coarse sugar. Just going to add a little bit of crunch on top. Into the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. A toothpick should come out clean and the interior temperature should be about 205 degrees. Time's up, let's check. Ooh, looks great. Let's see if we can get that internal temperature at about 205. Look at that, we are there. Let it rest on a wire rack for about 15 minutes and then we're going to take it out and take a slice. There we go. Looks great. Look at that. Yum. Look at this really good, sneaky, shortcut banana bread. Can see the sparkling sugar on top. It looks great and it looks and smells just like any other banana bread that you would make yourself with ripe bananas. But remember, these were very green. And so let's see if that caramelized flavor that they got in the oven comes through. Let's take a bite. First off, this is delicious. Second, that caramelized flavor definitely comes through. It almost tastes like a banana Foster's of banana bread. Exactly, just like that. It is super yummy. I would totally make this again. You saw how quick it was. This is a fantastic sneaky shortcut recipe. Enjoy! If I can make this a sneaky shortcut banana bread recipe for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, make this recipe, and let me know when you do. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.